English practice makes perfect.
English present progressive verbs.
Part 2. What is happening now? Measuring. Measuring. The man is measuring his waist with a measuring tape. The man is measuring his waist with a measuring tape. Cutting. Cutting. The barber is cutting the man's hair. The barber is cutting the man's hair. Sewing. Sewing. She is sewing on her sewing machine. She is sewing on her sewing machine. Wearing. Wearing. The young girl is wearing blue eyeglasses. The young girl is wearing blue eyeglasses. Pouring. Pouring.
The lady is pouring hot tea in a teacup. The lady is pouring hot tea in a teacup.
Thinking. Thinking.
The student is thinking about a solution to the problem. The student is thinking about a solution to the problem.
Praying. Praying. The man is praying on the beach at sunset. The man is praying on the beach at sunset. Crawling. Crawling. The baby is crawling on the floor. The baby is crawling on the floor. Kicking. Kicking. The soccer player is kicking the ball. The soccer player is kicking the ball. Scrubbing. Scrubbing. The woman is scrubbing the kitchen floor. The woman is scrubbing the kitchen floor.
Washing. Washing. The washing machine is washing the clothes. The washing machine is washing the clothes.
Drying. Drying. The dryer is drying the clothes. The dryer is drying the clothes. Hanging. Hanging. The woman is hanging the laundry to dry. The woman is hanging the laundry to dry. Folding. Folding. The mother and daughter are folding the laundry. The mother and daughter are folding the laundry. Packing. Packing. The girl is packing her suitcase. The girl is packing her suitcase. Flying. Flying. The plane is flying in the air. The plane is flying in the air. Smelling. Smelling. She is smelling a bouquet of flowers. She is smelling a bouquet of flowers.
Subscribe.
Sniffing. Sniffing. The dog is sniffing the grass. The dog is sniffing the grass. Digging. Digging. The dog is digging a hole in the sand. The dog is digging a hole in the sand. Scratching. Scratching. The cat is scratching itself. The cat is scratching itself. Licking. Licking. The happy dog is licking the girl's face. The happy dog is licking the girl's face.
Kissing. Kissing.
The girls are kissing the man's cheeks. The girls are kissing the man's cheeks.
Hugging. Hugging.
The happy couple is hugging. The happy couple is hugging.
Winking. Winking. The young girl is winking at you. The young girl is winking at you.
Nodding. Nodding. She is nodding her head yes. She is nodding her head yes.
Shaking. Shaking. He is shaking his head no. He is shaking his head no. Snapping. Snapping. She is snapping her fingers. She is snapping her fingers. Tapping. Tapping. Fingers are tapping on the table. Fingers are tapping on the table. Clapping. Clapping. She is clapping her hands. She is clapping her hands. Whistling. Whistling. She is whistling a happy tune. She is whistling a happy tune. Floating. Floating. The dollar bill is floating in the water. The dollar bill is floating in the water. Climbing. Climbing.
The climber is climbing a snow-covered mountain. The climber is climbing a snow-covered mountain.
Skiing. Skiing.
The skier is skiing down the ski slope. The skier is skiing down the ski slope.
Wrapping. Wrapping. She is wrapping a gift. She is wrapping a gift.
Subscribe for more English practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.